Welcome to MacNeil Tech, the wash experience. My name is Scott Ferry and I work for Budco, a distributor of MacNeil wash systems. Today we're going to talk about air cylinder care and maintenance. Air cylinders are a feature or component on nearly every piece of equipment that MacNeil manufactures. Those air cylinders will drive brushes in and out, stabilize brushes, drive power locks in and out, even drive chemical on the gloss boss. Being able to maintain and care for those air cylinders will prolong their life and make them reliable for a long time into the future. So this is an air cylinder, this is a cutaway of an air cylinder right here. So there's not much to an air cylinder, they're fairly simple. There's basically a chamber that holds the air, there's a piston, and then the shaft that extends from the piston through the nose of the air cylinder. So as air enters the air cylinder from one side or the other, it will drive the shaft, or the piston, in and out. This is an actual air cylinder that MacNeil uses on their equipment. And the air cylinders are vulnerable because as the wash ages and is used, chemicals, corrosive chemicals, dirt, grit, hard water deposits can collect on the shaft. And as the collection of those debris on the shaft are driven in and out of the air cylinder as it operates, it can degrade that seal in the nose of the cylinder. So it's important to both clean and lubricate the shaft of the air cylinder to prolong its life. So one great thing to use is fluid film. There's other products on the market. This happens to be the one that's commonly used for MacNeil. And the thing to do with it is to apply the fluid film to the nose of the air cylinder and then allow that shaft to drive in, and that'll bring the lubricant inside the seal of the air cylinder and make it, and care for it. This is the air cylinder, the main arm air cylinder on the top brush. And this is an excellent place for us to demonstrate how to care for and lubricate and clean an air cylinder. So you take your lubricating spray and spray it to the shaft of the air cylinder. And once that spray is on there, take a clean rag and wipe it off. What you're doing is paying special attention to make sure to remove the hard water deposits, grease, oil, dirt that might collect on that shaft. Once that's been done, take the same lubricating spray, and actually you're paying attention to the nose seal on the air cylinder. So you spray it right up there, and then again to the shaft, and work it around the shaft. Then you want to either manually activate a solenoid or bring down the brush by hand to work that lubricant into the nose seal. So I can just simply stand back and grab the top brush and just bring it down. And then just lightly wipe off any excess. And so that's how this needs to be done to any air cylinder in the tunnel. Most vulnerable is the call-up cylinder, and so that's one that you want to pay special attention to. But any air cylinder on the top brush, on the Superflex wraparounds, gloss boss, anything that is coming into contact or used on the equipment should be lubricated on a regular basis, weekly if possible. And that concludes our demonstration on how to care for and do preventive maintenance on air cylinders. Thank you for joining us at MacNeil Tech, the Wash Experience.